Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So students, in our last class we had learned or we have studied about the environment, in that about the ecology, about the pollutions, right, and the sanitation. Now we'll continue our class with the sanitation only. So we'll go for the animation of this. By watching the animation you can understand this chapter very well. So let's see the animation of this. Our environment.
Our environment. Pollution means making the environment dirty with harmful substances. Environmental pollution is a major cause for concern today. In the last 2 centuries, human beings have drastically changed the environment by clearing forests, growing crops, dumping enormous quantities of waste, and causing pollution. Sanitation involves the removal of garbage and waste and maintenance of hygienic conditions. Quite often, clogged drains, overflowing sewages, garbage and domestic waste, and stinking, dirty, stagnant water on the streets create very unhygienic and unsanitary conditions. This calls for proper sanitation. Biodegradable substances are those that decay and decompose by bacteria or other microorganisms. Some examples of biodegradable substances are fruit and vegetable peels, leftover food, newspaper, cotton cloth, wood, and so on. Non-biodegradable substances are those that do not decay or decompose even after many years.
So biodegradable and the non-biodegradable substances, in that, so all things do not decompose, right? So that is decay over time. So first is biodegradable. So biodegradable are the substances those that decay, decompose, or are broken up by bacteria or other organisms. Okay. Then next is non-biodegradable. So the non-biodegradable substances are those that do not decay or decompose even after many years. Okay. So this is non-biodegradable.
Some examples are plastics, glass bottles, tin cans, and so on. It is very important to recycle waste. There is increasing awareness among people now about the environment, garbage, and what is biodegradable and what is not.
So recycling of waste. So there is increasing awareness among the people now, right? So about the environments, so garbage and the what is biodegradable and what is not.
It is important to recycle and reuse substances that can be recycled. Waste paper and bottles are recycled. Animal and plant waste is being recycled to produce a kind of fuel.
So the next is biogas. So in villages and the rural areas where there are lots of cattle, all the dung used to be left in heaps, attracting the flies, or they would be flattened into the pancakes and left to dry in the sun.
This is called biogas. Biogas is used for lighting and cooking. Biogas waste is used as fertilizer. Water pollution is a major environmental concern today. Good sanitation and conservation strategies help keep water resources clean. Garbage, household sewage, factory waste, pesticides and fertilizers are all sources of water pollution. Doing away with stagnant water is a big step in reducing the impact of water pollution. Nature has a natural balance of its own, but of late we have been upsetting this balance. Forests are being cleared, animals are being cleared out of their natural habitat. There is so much pollution. All this contributes to imbalance. Therefore, it is important to reduce, reuse, and recycle.
These are the 3 R's, that is recycle, reuse, and reduce. It is known as the 3 R's: recycle, reuse, and reduce.
To restore this balance.
So recycle, reuse, and reduce should be our motto. So with this we had completed our lesson, our environment. Okay.